Jai Srimanarayana. Second sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ahimsa, Satyam, Akrodha, Tyagasantihi, Apaisunam, Daya Bhuteshu, Aloluptvam, Mardavam, Hrihi, Achapalam. Om. Try to inculcate these divine qualities and keep on checking with yourself if you have these qualities. Qualities are: do not hurt anyone. Maybe it is physically, verbally, or even in your mind. Communicate the truth if it is good to others. Do not show unnecessary anger. Give up the things which are not good. Maintain peace of mind. Control your sensory organs. Be compassionate to all beings. Make sure you are getting freedom from desire. Gentleness, and be worthy of associating with the good, and be ashamed to do bad things, and do not be attracted by bad. Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall make every attempt to inculcate the qualities that you suggested. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఓం హరయే నమః. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధం 10th స్కంధం 310th డే. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kaliya, because of his great amount of arrogance, he did not care Garutman, who is the Vahanam of Sri Mahavishnu. Kaliya did not give the share of the food to Garutman. Even before Garutman eat his food, Kaliya ate away everything. That is how Kaliya totally rejected Garutman. Then Bhagavan Bhagavat Priyaha Garutman, the one who is the most beloved of Sriman Narayana, the one who is more strong, such Garutman, in order to kill Kaliya, he came down to Kaliya. Then Kaliya with his hoods, with his heads which is filled up with so much of poison, and with his dreadful tongues, Karala Jikhva, Uchvasita Ugralochanaha, Uchalatugra Jikhvalu Mahodhati Tripuchu, Urvulandukar Chichulagayanga, Pari Karachan Vihagendruni. Kaliya, while showing his dreadful, scary hoods and tongues, and while opening his very scary eyes, Kaliya, while revolving his heads, while spilling out all the poisonous fire, Kaliya went towards Garutman and then bite Garutman. Then Madhusudanasanaha, the one who is the Vahanam of Madhusudana, Sriman Narayana, such Garutman with his left wing, he hit Kaliya. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 16th chapter 2nd sloka. Ahimsa satyam akrodhaha tyagashantirapaishunam dayabhuteshvaloluptvam mardavam hrirachapalam. Ahimsa satyamakrodhaha tyagashantirapaishunam dayabhuteshvaloluptvam mardavam hrirachapalam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.